your problems taken care of before they become a problem for you. TCB. Taking care of business. Taking care of your business.
Do you want to save a web page as a PDF in Google Chrome? Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open a web page in Google Chrome. Click the three-dot icon in the top right corner and choose Print in the drop-down menu. Alternatively, press Ctrl+P. Step 2. In the resulting pop-up window, click the down arrow to the right of destination and select Save as PDF in the drop-down menu. You'll see a preview generated in the left pane. Step 3. Click More Settings to change the paper size, scaling, and so on if needed. Step 4. Once you make the necessary changes, click the Save button and select a destination on your PC. Click a second Save button to complete. Now you will see the PDF file you just saved. Thank you for watching.